Y'all really be doing this. Like, y'all can't be doing this. Y'all need to learn. If this wool above 10 rand, it went to what? I don't know. It went to private school. So it's the shoe. It's the slap. It's the shoe. I can't deal with this right now. Yeah. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. First things first, I would love to apologize for the lighting. You know, when you're using natural lights, things don't always go your way, but the show gotta move on, okay? The show gotta keep going. Today, I'm doing a cute, quick tutorial on how to tie a high puff. A high puff is this mummy right here. Check it out. Check it out, you know. It has been a requested video. I've had a few people ask me on Instagram, and then I've also had people ask me like face to face, people that have actually seen me on my social media and stuff. You know, people go to the extent where they actually pay money to get their hair tied. I would love to welcome my new subscribers. You know, I see y'all. I would love to welcome you guys. It feels good to have you guys here. And thanks everyone who gave feedback on my last video, getting to know me. I know y'all was like so shocked that I'm a foul girl and I'm in this extrovert introvert thing going on. Please follow me on Instagram at @nabuthemendalo_. You know it's down below, so just go click on that link and follow me, and also follow my business page. Please subscribe. Okay, so I wanted to teach you guys how to achieve this. This is for all natural girls, whether your hair is long, short. Girl, if you want to tie up your hair, you keep watching, okay? You keep watching. I give a huge shout out to all the natural girls that aren't in the best states with their hair, but they still pushing and trying, because I know the natural hair journey ain't easy. Like, so we can get to the video. I'm just gonna start off by taking off my bonnet cap. I sleep with a bonnet cap, guys. You know, it saves your hairline, it helps your hairline. I'm just gonna take it out. And I sleep with plaits, guys. Like, this is the plug. If you got natural hair, sleep with them plaits on your head, okay? Okay, no, what am I doing? I never actually undo my plaits with a comb. It takes like a long time. I just use my fingers. So yeah, so I'm just gonna like start off by undoing my plaits and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to like brush my hair. It really helps actually just take a piece of your hair and brush it. It's less painful then until you're able to actually brush from like the root. I'm really trying to fit my hair in the screen, but like, yeah. Ugh. And just brush it out. So yeah, I'm done brushing up my hair, and so my hair is already moisturized because I locked up my hair in plaits and I locked up the moisture. So my hair is already like moisturized and it's in good condition. Okay. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna grab some wool. Guys, you can get wool anywhere, like literally anywhere. Wool is like 5 rand. I think I bought this for 5 rand. If there's wool above 10 rand, it went to Woolworths. I don't know, it went to private school, sis, because while wool is cheap, I got this for 5 rand. So if your wool is above 10 rand, private school education. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Anyway, so you're gonna take like quite a long piece of wool, and you're gonna double it up. The reason why I have to double it up is because like afro is thick. You know, you can't use like one strand of wool because it can easily break. Afro is extremely thick, so I normally just double it up. You know, like as you can see. And what I do is I take like the thingy. I take the wool, right, and I put it at the back of my head like so, right. Okay, you won't really see it, but I put it at the back of my head, and then I level these 2 pieces up like this in front. Then I put it in the very front and I cross it. I cross it, and then the crossed part, like where it crosses and intersects, you literally like push it up a little bit, push it, then you go push it the back, and then literally just shoot, like literally shoot. I don't even see like shoot. It's the shoot. It's the snap. It's the shoot. So yeah, literally just like, you know, do this to your desired tightness, if that's the right word to use, because yeah, some of us easily get headaches, so we don't really necessarily like tightening about hair, buns, puffs, you know, because it gives us like massive headaches and stuff. So then yeah, you literally like strip up the hair and you go around your head, then you go around again with your wool until it kind of finishes off, and then literally you just like tuck it in, like you tuck it in your hair. There's no fancy way of tying it up. There's no Woolworths way of tying it up. You literally just like, excuse me, I'm kind of sick. You're gonna fluff up your head like this, your hair on top, until you get a nice kind of similar, you know, like shape, you know, on your puff, on your actual puff. So yeah, you do that until you're happy with it. And obviously, be myself, I like to do my edges. Y'all know that by now. So I'ma just grab my video is life. My video is life, as y'all can see. And I'ma use this to sculpt my edges. I love doing my edges, guys. I think you guys know this. This is amazing. Oh, wait, I'm gonna show you guys something. I have like so many empty bottles. I don't even know why I keep them. There's also like another big one that I bought, but like I threw it away because I had mixed my conditioner inside of it because it was empty. So I've just used a lot of gel. This gel is amazing, and I've only discovered it in like the space of 2 months, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm in love. Moving on. Anyway, so I'm gonna do my edges, guys. Like there's no space for me and this hair and this camera, and I just have no space in general. Like I don't know what to do. I can't. Anyway, I'm gonna do my edges, and so I'm gonna just lay out the hair. As y'all can see, like this gel has, I don't know, really good hold, guys. This is all natural hair. It's not even relaxed. Doesn't even. I don't know what I'm saying. But this is all relaxed. I mean, hey, Beau. This is all natural hair, y'all. All natural. This gel just does the thing, y'all. It really does. Like it lays down your hair. Like you, like I know how stubborn Afro edges are. Like you lay it down, it comes back up. Like this gel refuses for your edges to resurrect. Like it's just like you gonna stay down. You are gonna stay down. So yeah, I've put some of this gel. I'm gonna just do my edges. I'm gonna just do something simple. I don't want to go all the way out, you know. y'all can actually go check out my video that I did on how I do my edges. The link to that video will be down below, and also it should come up in on the side corners of this video. I will make sure that it does that, so you guys can see how I'd be doing my edges. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. Honestly, I really wish I had more lighting. It frustrates me that my videos are this dark. Like, this is one of the disadvantages of using natural light. One day it has your back, the next day it really doesn't. But basically that's how you tie a high puff. It is not hard. It is super easy. It is easy to do a high puff, sis. So that's the one thing that I wanted to put out there.